me Fatma from Bakhtawar Mannar Institute of Nursing. Today I am going to convey a message about Resolution Day, and here it is. Be proud of who you are and love your country unconditionally. Work hard because it is the one and only key to success and prosperity. Happy Resolution Day. Thank you so much.
This is Kashif Khan from Bakhtawar Mannar Institute of Nursing. Today I am talking about Pakistan Resolution Day. Be proud who you are and love your country unconditionally. Work hard, so it is the one and only key to success and prosperity. Thank you. Happy Resolution Day.
This is Malaika Kamal for Bakhtawar Mannar Institute of Nursing. Pakistan is a peace-loving with ample experience who are making Pakistan proud. Who is young blood is our strength. Thank you so much. Happy Resolution Day.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mannar. I am student of Bakhtawar Mannar Institute of Nursing. 23rd March is celebrated in accordance with the Pakistan Resolution that was passed in 1940 in Lahore. हर एक पाकिस्तानी ने पुकारा पाकिस्तान, हर एक पाकिस्तानी ने पुकारा पाकिस्तान, अमन का निशानी हमारा पाकिस्तान, अमन का निशानी हमारा पाकिस्तान. Thank you.
My name is Linda. I am a student from Bakhtawar Mannar Institute of Nursing. 23rd March is known as Pakistani Day. It celebrates across Pakistan. It is also a public holiday. We are know all Pakistani not Sindhi Pathan. Thank you so much. Happy Resolution Day.
My name is Ariba Siddiqui and I am from Bakhtawar Mannar Institute of Nursing. 23rd March was a day when the struggle was stigmatized. There were no individual benefits. Everyone was just thinking about prosperity. Everyone was thinking for the Muslims and for subcontinent and for Pakistan. There were no Sindhis, Balochis, Punjabis and Kashmiris. They were all part of a great Muslim nation. But today what we are, think about it. Happy Resolution Day.